Your favorite travel consultant has brought you the latest update from the desk of the Nigerian Immigration Service, which is the implementation of the e-visa application process and the automated landing and exit card. If this video is what you would love to watch, do well to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. My name is Berry Umez, your favorite travel consultant from Travel Remedy. This e-visa application process is applicable to foreign nationals and Nigerian passport holders with dual citizenships. Some of the types of visas you can apply under this e-visa process is a business visa, single entry, a business visa, multiple entry, a visitor's visa, a tourism visa, a sports visa, a creative arts visa, a study tour visa, an academic exchange program, emergency relief work visa, international cultural exchange visa. This e-visa implementation is effective from the 1st of May 2025. It is fast, reliable, transparent, and can easily be tracked. This also means that you do not need any contact to be able to apply for this e-visa. It is user-friendly. Visa validity is between 30 days to 90 days, and visa approval is between a few hours to 48 hours. Easy peasy. The application platform employs advanced security measures to ensure the privacy of applicants. Also, this process is completely automated with no contact at all. Unfortunately, there are penalties. Effective from the 2nd of August 2025 and starting from the 1st of September 2025, if you're a foreign national and you overstay your Nigerian visa in Nigeria, you're going to be paying $15 per day for every day that you overstay your visa. If you overstay for 3 months, you're going to be paying $15 per day for that 3 months that you overstayed and a 5 years entry ban. If you overstay for 1 year plus, you're going to be paying $15 per day for every day that you overstayed, plus a blacklist. That's a permanent ban. Please be very careful. If you happen to come to Nigeria and at some point you decide to extend your stay, you plan to spend like 2 weeks and you decide to, you got caught up in a few things and you want to spend like a month, 2 months, 3 months more in Nigeria, please do well to extend your visa. Don't just be reluctant, don't just be relaxed, because it comes with repercussions, penalties. Yes. Also note that the e-visa, like I said before, is completely automated. Once your visa is approved, it will be sent to your email, your visa, your QR codes, everything would be sent to the applicant's email. Also note that whatever type of visa that you apply for through the e-visa channel cannot be extended. Yes. The current manual embarkation and disembarkation card has been replaced with the electronic landing and exit card. This means that for inbound passengers, for foreign nationals excluding Nigerians, the landing card must be duly completed online before boarding. And for outbound passengers, the exit cards must be duly completed online before departure. If you overstayed your visa or anything, the penalties shall apply because it has been synchronized with the visa application process. This automation has been synchronized with the visa application process. So if there is any point that you overstayed your visa, the penalties will automatically apply. Yes. Also, the Nigerian Immigration Service has given a window period of 3 months starting from the 1st of May to the 1st of August for foreign nationals that has overstayed their visas to do the needful, extend your visas, or go back and reapply, etc. I remain your favorite travel consultant, Berry Umes. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Also, join my travel remedy community. The link is on my bio. Follow me on Instagram as well. Bye.